Okay, now that we know where everything is, what all the labels are, now we're going to review how to plot a point. So when you plot a point, the first step is to start at the origin. So that is the point 0, 0. Whenever you're plotting a point, that's where you put your pencil first. You start at the origin. Step 2 is now you're going to move on the x-axis. And you've got two options. If your x is positive, move to the right. If your x is negative, move to the left. Next and last step is now you're going to move on the y-axis. Again, you'll have two options. If it's positive, move up. If it's negative, move down. And then don't forget to plot the point. So when you're done moving on the y-axis, you actually put your point. So if I wanted to plot the point 3, 4, I would start at the middle in the origin, then I would move to the right 3, and then I would move up 4, and that's where I would plot my point. Okay, you're going to practice this a few times, and then you're going to take your exit ticket. This is really all there is to today's lesson.